Hello, Namaste to all. I, Sangita Patel, welcome you all to Om Divine Living channel, and today I'm going to talk about the power of words. Yes, power of words. Words are very, very powerful, and one has to be very, very careful by using that word for themselves or for other people, because words have energy and the vibrations, and once words are out of our mouth, we cannot take it back. And so that's the reason we have to be very, very careful by using words. Words are magic, and we all know what the magic is. But the question is, do you guys believe? You must have heard that think before when you speak. And why do you think is that so? There are these powerful hidden messages which urge us to watch what we say, especially to the people whom we love. And once the word is out of your mouth, you cannot take it back. It is like bow in the arrow, and once the arrow comes out of bow, do you think we can bring it back? No. That is the reason we have to be very careful by using word for anyone. Remember when you were kids, they used to say that stone and sticks can break you, but the words cannot hurt you. Maybe at that age you didn't know the weight of the word, but as you grow older, you must have realized what it can really do. Our world has so much power, and we even didn't realize it. As an adult in a friendship or as a parent, we don't know what we say something to someone, how it's going to affect another person. Even sometimes for us, some words may mean a simple or it may mean a joke to us, but not everyone think that. So even before saying a word, you must hear the heartbeat of the other persons, how they are going to feel if your word, what you say, is going to hurt them. Something you must have said to someone years ago may cause them to change their outlook on life, their dreams, and much more. And who are you to do this? You need to be also very, very careful what you speak to yourself. Attract good energy by speaking good words. It works like a magic by eternal energy. Never gossip about anyone, guys, because gossip has a lot of negative energy and negative vibration. Be very careful and cautious of your words. Now, I will be sharing with you other famous quotes by the famous people. And the first is by the awesome Greek account. And the quote is, "Among my most prized possessions are words that I have never spoken." Second is British, and the quote is, "In the words, the state are seen of mind and character and disposition of the speaker." Third is Rudyard Kipling, and the quote is, "Words are the most powerful drug used by the mankind." Winston Churchill, "Eating words had never given me indigestion." Nelson Mandela, and the quote is, "If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head, and if you talk to a man in his or her language, that is going to go to his or her heart." This quote is by an unknown, so the quote is, "Being careful with your words. Once they are said, they can be only forgiven and not forgotten." It is very, very important. Mark Twain, and the quote is, "The word may be very effective, but no word is as effective as a rightly timed word." So this video was about the word and the power of words. So now from onwards, you guys will be very, very careful by using words for yourself or for others. Just pause before you say and think what you are going to say is going to make that person happy or sad. And if what you're going to say is going to make that person sad, do not say, or try to say it in a way where the person is not hurt or not get sad. So thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I hope you like this video. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I wanted to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring to make this video and who are helping me to make this video. Thank you, all of you. For all my services, you guys can reach out through my email ID, and people who are connected with me on social media, you guys can contact me through WhatsApp Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Skype, whatever you feel like. And I would definitely love to work with you guys and help you guys. So till I see you next time, I Sangita Patel, take care and leave with lots of love, light and angel blessing. Namaste.